just a little bit greasy, but it shouldn't take much with these big wide tires. Outlaw street cars to get this thing run in. Seeing Adam Tony Pro late models out here for hot laps. The 34 machine. That's going to be Evan McReynolds. The 84 C is Light, the 7. Caught the 8R of the game. Robert Ray Roberts. Matthew Light setting the bar with a 15.15. Evan McReynolds 15.12 for the 34 car. Robert Ray Roberts with a 15.55. And this is just hot laps. These guys will be out here a little bit later on this afternoon or this evening for their qualifying efforts. McReynolds down there rearranging our Ute tires for it. Matthew Light getting a little bit closer to that 15.12 with a 15.15. Next set of seeing Adam Tony Pro late models pulling out on the Speedway. There's our track champion in the 18 machine. That's going to be TJ Salengo. Great to see Cole back out there with us in the 46 car. That's going to be Andrew Lankford. The 75 machine going to be driven by Kenny Rucker. Shane Greco out there in the 33G machine, multi-time feature winner with us this year. Evan McReynolds setting the bar with a 15.12. We got a hornet's nest of fast cars here, though, including the car set track record. That was his grandson driving it, though, but that's Mr. Kenny Rucker behind the wheel in the 75. To the top of the board goes Andrew Lankford with a 14.72. Shane Greco going to rip it away from him with a 14.48. Continuing to set that bar with a 14.36. TJ Salengo hanging right there with him with a 14.36 of his own. Should be a great race tonight in the C and Adam Tony Pro Late Models. Top group of cars all right there close together in time. Shane Greco setting the bar with a 14.23. TJ Salengo with a 14.36. Jacob Rucker with a 14.58.